In this video, we are talking about Republic of China's National Chengshan Institute of Science and Technology has taken a major step toward reducing dependence on foreign fighter jet engines by allocating 9 billion new Taiwan dollars, roughly 290 million US dollars, to the development of advanced aircraft engine technologies. The program is widely believed to be aimed at producing an indigenous engine capable of powering future combat aircraft, including a potential replacement for the US-supplied F124 engine currently used on the FCK Qingkuo and Brave Eagle fighters operated by the Republic of China Air Force. The F124 engine has powered Taiwan's indigenous fighters since the 1990s, but its foreign origin has long been viewed as a strategic limitation. An engine with equivalent or greater thrust would allow these imported power plants to be phased out, strengthening local defense autonomy. Beyond current aircraft, the new engine could also become a cornerstone for a future fifth-generation fighter, an idea that Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense has been studying as a long-term replacement for the aging Qingkuo fleet. This effort builds on earlier groundwork laid by NCIST under the VEDA project, which ran from 2018 to 2023 and focused on preliminary engineering for next-generation fighter propulsion. The current phase, known as the Angel Project, includes 24 key technology development initiatives designed to support advanced engine production. Among these are breakthroughs in hot forging and cold forging techniques, which are critical for producing high-temperature, high-stress engine components. These advances are expected to enable a more powerful and efficient successor to the F124. For years, the lack of a domestically produced high-thrust engine has been considered one of the biggest obstacles preventing Taiwan from pursuing a fifth-generation fighter program. Developing an indigenous engine that significantly outperforms the F124 could remove that barrier and open the door to more ambitious aircraft designs, including stealth features, twin-engine configurations, and internal weapon space. Taiwan's Air Force currently operates 6 fighter squadrons. 2 are equipped with FCK Qingkuo fighters, while a third is being formed around the Brave Eagle advanced trainer, which uses the same engine. The remaining squadrons are planned to transition to F-16 fighters, but delivery delays from the United States have disrupted those timelines. A domestically developed fifth-generation fighter could eventually replace the Qingkuo squadrons and possibly older F-16A and B models acquired in the 1990s, leading to a potential production run of between 140 and 280 aircraft. However, Taiwan's unique international status presents serious challenges. Limited diplomatic recognition and the absence of United Nations representation make export opportunities extremely unlikely, reducing the chances of spreading development costs across foreign sales. None of the few countries that recognize Taipei operate their own fighter aviation forces, further limiting export potential. The strategic pressure driving this effort is clear. The People's Liberation Army Air Force has already fielded fifth-generation fighters since 2017 and is now leading global efforts in sixth-generation fighter development, with operational service expected in the early 2030s. While Taiwan's Air Force is likely to fall multiple generations behind in raw technology, an indigenous fifth-generation program could slow that gap, preserve critical aerospace expertise, and strengthen local industry in ways that continued reliance on imports cannot. Ultimately, the engine development program represents more than just a technical upgrade. It is a strategic attempt to secure long-term air power independence, sustain Taiwan's defense industry, and maintain a credible deterrent in an increasingly challenging regional security environment. Subscribe and like me for more updates.